Hey guys, how we doing today? This is Wally again with LearningNet.com, and in today's video, we're going to be talking all about web hosting. But one question in particular: do you even need web hosting services for creating WordPress websites or not? So I saw this question online. I thought I would just cover it on this YouTube channel, especially for beginners, people that are wanting to create perhaps their very first website online, and you may be asking yourself, "Do I need web hosting for WordPress website?" So we're going to cover that in this video. I'm going to talk about the two main requirements that you absolutely need to put any website online in this video today. But if you guys are new here to this channel, hit the subscribe button along with the bell. And that way, any future videos, guys, that I put up, you'll be sure to receive them. Also, hit that like button right now. That way, you guys will inform me that this is the type of content that you want to hear about: web design, web hosting, marketing, SEO, stuff like that. And that way, I can continue to put up videos that you guys like. So hit the subscribe button along with the bell, and we'll get off with our video today. So there are two main things, as I mentioned before in the onset, that you absolutely must have to create any website online. One is a domain name, and a domain name in short is really just a name of the website itself. Where is it that you want people to go to access your products and your service? It's going to be the .com, the .net, the .org of your brand itself. Common examples of this, if you guys may not know or understand what a domain name is, just think about ebay.com, amazon.com, yahoo.com, google.com, learnernet.com. All of these are domain names, and you purchase domain names through domain name registrars. And there are lots of them out there. I'm not going to go over all of them in this video. I don't have time for that. But what I will tell you is about two common ones that are really popular that you may have heard of or know about already as a beginner. One is GoDaddy, and the other is Namecheap. Now, with GoDaddy, the domain names itself are more expensive than Namecheap. They run about $15 to $20 per year. With Namecheap, they run anywhere from $5 to $8 or more, just depending again on the type of top level domain that you want to purchase. So I started initially purchasing my domains through GoDaddy, but now I purchase them strictly through Namecheap due to costs. Obviously, another reason that I purchase the domain names there over GoDaddy is because GoDaddy charges $7.99 per year for a feature called domain privacy, which I think every domain should have. But with Namecheap, it's free. So again, you understand why I use Namecheap. It's not only cheaper in pricing, but they offer domain privacy for free. And domain privacy, if you don't know already, is basically a feature that is attached to your domain that allows you to privatize your first and last name, your email, your physical address where you live at, your blood type, the names of your firstborn. I mean, just basic information that is available on the public domain, on the Who Is directory. It's like the white pages for websites, and any and everybody can look it up and find out this information, which you don't want because people like hackers try to take over websites with this free information. So you want to have a feature like that, domain privacy, and you get it for free through Namecheap. So now you understand the very first step of what you need to put a website online. You need to buy a domain. Now, obviously, you have the domain name. You purchase your domain name, but what do you do from there? Well, you need to make your website visible to the world, and the way you do that is through buying web hosting. So you need web hosting. Your website will not be visible to people online unless you have web hosting itself. Now, there are a lot of web hosting providers out there. I'm not going to go over all of them today. I do have some top recommended, cheap, inexpensive web hosting providers right below that you guys can check out today to get off to a really good start with your business online. But if you don't know what web hosting is, in short, it's basically being able to reserve space on a computer or a server for your website. So all of your the files, the images, the content, pictures, everything that's on your website is reserved or placed on a server on a computer that runs 24/7, doesn't sleep at all, although you do. It's always available all the time. And so anytime somebody wants to, check your website out, visit your website through Google or Yahoo, like you guys right now. I mean, you're watching this video. I mean, if I had this video on my website right now and you were searching it, great. You found it through Google and you clicked through, my website was up and running. So that's what web hosting does. It allows you to not only to create or build a website, but it allows it to be visible, and it allows you to publish content that way other people can also enjoy it as well. All right, that's a lot. Let me drink some coffee. Good. Now that that's out of the way, you have your domain name. You know absolutely that you need web hosting to be able to create your website online. So once you do that, once you create your website, you'll have access to different CMS platforms. CMS, in short, is just a content management system that allows you to create your website online. WordPress is a common example of that. Um, Over 37 million websites online today have been created using WordPress. So it's a user-friendly software that's very easy for beginners to use. I definitely recommend it. I've created to date over 12 websites in the past, year using WordPress. I've used Joomla as well. I haven't really done anything with like Drupal or Magento, but WordPress is really the way to go when it comes to creating websites and blogs online. So, in short, guys, I just wanted to answer for you. Why is it that you absolutely need web hosting for your business? If you want to create a website online for your business to sell products and services, or maybe you want to just blog about your hobbies or whatever it is, you need to get a web hosting provider, one that's reliable, that has customer service 24/7 if you have questions about it, great security, and also affordable. As I mentioned before, there are platforms out there that people may decide to use, such as like blogger.com or even WordPress.com. I mean, those do offer like a free version of creating websites, but they have terrible restrictions. You're restricted on your web space, you're restricted on your website traffic each and every month. And the down thing about it is that you can even have your website deleted from free sites like blogger.com and WordPress.com. So that's why you want to buy your web hosting itself, because you'll have complete control over the management of your website, how many web traffic, how much web traffic rather that's coming to your website each and every month. You just have more leeway, with that. You can actually install WordPress plugins that help with the functionality and customization of your website. You can't do that with free platforms. I just want to tell you that up front, so why is it that you absolutely need web hosting, to really put your brand out there and to drive, web traffic, to your website so you can make money online. So I hope that I've covered this question thoroughly for you guys. I know if you're creating your very first website, you may be overwhelmed with so many ideas and thoughts, out there, but I just wanted to cover this question for you guys on this channel, and give you not only the two requirements, as I mentioned before, the domain name and the web hosting, but also to point you in the direction of our top recommended web hosting providers that are ideal for creating websites today. I'll leave a link right below, guys, that you guys can check out, and you can use any of those web hosting providers right below. They're all very cheap. They have 24/7 customer service. They're great in the way of security, and they have amazing uptime. And that way you can always make sure that with whatever the website is that you want to create online, that it's always up when people are trying to search for you online in the search engines, okay? What did you guys think about this video? Give your thoughts, or leave your thoughts rather, right below. And again, if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button along with the bell. And that way, any future videos, guys, that I put up, you'll be sure to receive them. I hope you guys so much success in your endeavors of creating websites online with your business.